So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing everything you need to know about the Airpods Pro. Everyone knows that Apple is working behind a secret project of Airpods next generation, and that is confirmed by Minchiko and other analysts that its naming is going to be Airpods Pro. So in today's video I'm going to be discussing that what you need to know about Airpods Pro, and is this the new AirPod generation worth the upgrade. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you like videos from Apple ecosystem, consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, the number one factor which I want to say is the AirPods Pro it's a pro thing, and that is it is going to be having noise cancellation. Again, like the current AirPods have noise cancellation, but it is not up to the point that it is perfect. So the AirPods Pro are going to be coming with in-ear headphones. What is in-ear headphones or in-ear buds? Well, those are actually the buds or the main pods actually go in your ear. There is a rubber kind of texture at the end. The tip is made up of rubber, and that allows for in-ear headphones. So Apple already has a great design, but Apple is planning for a new design. From iPhone 5 onwards, this design of earbuds by Apple is coming, and now we are going to be definitely seeing a change. And not just that, the main prime reason for AirPods Pro is going to be the battery life. The battery life of AirPods Pro is going to be so good that it is going to be delivering a lot more for the value. Okay, the AirPods 2 existing are already great. You get a lot of battery life, a full day battery life for normal usage, but continuous as well, it is good. Again, the AirPods Pro are going to be having more battery life. Again, it's not confirmed how many milliamp hours, but definitely it's going to be great. It's coming with another pairing process, like Apple's W1 chip is there, Apple's H1 chip is there, and it is expected that Apple is going to be working at another chip which is going to put the connection or the pairing process even more faster. Again, already just you open the lid of your AirPods and the AirPods connect or sync to your Apple device, and now with this AirPods Pro, this interaction or this transaction is going to be even more smoother and more faster. And now guys, let me tell you, this is not at all a good factor which I am discussing, but AirPods Pro are going to be starting at $259. Yes guys, like when Apple introduced the AirPods Generation 1, its price was $159. Later on, its price went, the AirPods, the Generation 2 to $199. And now we are seeing that Apple is opting for $259. $259 for a Bluetooth earpiece. It's incredible. Again, AirPods have become a status symbol, but the pricing is incredible. First, when the Generation 1 was launched in India, its pricing was 12,999 rupees, and everybody was crazy. Like in India, you can get a decent quality sounding, the Bluetooth earpiece for around 1,500 rupees, but like 13,000 Indian rupees for a earpiece, it does not make any sense. Like now the Generation 2 came, its price is somewhere around 13 to 15,000 Indian rupees. And taking into consideration, if Apple is planning for $259 earbuds, those are going to be starting in India for 18 to 20,000 Indian rupees. So this is an immense or incredible amount of money to spend on earbuds. But again, if Apple has installed a greatness for us, again, if they are going to be going for such a great quality or such a great pricing, they are definitely going to be including lots of health features. So we will definitely look for that. So guys, basically we have with us this news as it for now. If there's going to be any other news, I'm definitely going to be keeping you updated. Again, consider subscribing to our channel for latest update from Apple ecosystem. And if you have liked today's video and this video has been helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts and are you excited and what do you really think about the pricing. I think the drawback of this AirPods Pro is going to be the pricing, because it is too much. But again, let's hope for the best. Let's see what Apple is in store for us, and the pricing of $199 is still a lot, but if Apple will put it for that pricing, this great technology, it is going to be a hit. So if you have liked today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.